There is one event remaining. At 9:30 p.m. there's Make New Video.
You want Alexa to see and remind you of events from your iPhone calendar? I'll show you how to link your iCloud calendar to Alexa next. Hi, I'm Chris. Here on Chris-Fied Tech Guy, you'll find reviews and tutorials like this one to simplify your tech. Today I will show you how to link your iCloud account to your Amazon Echo. Let's get started. In your Alexa app, go to Settings, Email and Calendar, Add Apple Calendar.
You can just click through these next two steps because they're repeated. Just hit Next and then Connect Account.
Two-factor authentication needs to be enabled on your phone, if it isn't already. Follow the on-screen instructions to enable it if necessary, and when you're done, you can hit Continue. Create an app-specific password. Follow the link for appleid.apple.com and sign in. Click Continue at the Apple ID Privacy Notice screen. Go to the Security menu. Under App-Specific Passwords, tap Generate Password. Enter a label to identify the password. Hit Create. Copy the password so you can paste it into the Alexa app. Hit Done. Switch back to the Alexa app. When I returned to the Alexa app, I was sent back a step. So you may have to hit Continue more than once to get to the next step where you sign into iCloud. Put in Apple ID and paste the app-specific password you just created. Hit Sign In. Your account is now linked. You will see a list of calendars associated with your iCloud account. You can manage which ones Alexa has access to with the check marks next to each calendar. Alexa can read all the calendars you sync with it, but can only add new calendar events to one calendar. I learned this the hard way when I tried adding an event to my iCloud calendar using Alexa, and it wouldn't show up on my iPhone. Turns out the event was going to my wife's Google Calendar by default. You can change which calendar Alexa adds new events in the Email and Calendar settings under New Calendar Events. What is one thing you don't need to put on the calendar? Let me know in the comment section. It's been great having you here with me today. I'll see you next time.